Hi everyone, my name's Juliet, and today I'm talking about changing icons in Scrivener. You may or may not have noticed that you can change the icons for your folders and any other document within your file. But why would you even need to do this? Well, you don't need to, but here are some ideas.
First up, in order to change an icon, right mouse click on the folder you want to change and select Change Icon. You'll see a whole list and some sublists of icons. Simply click on the one you want to use. If you want to change more than one at once, use Ctrl and click to select the individual folders and follow the same process. You'll notice there's a reset at the top of the list to go back to the standard folder icons. As you can see, some of the icons could give you an indication of what is in the folder, which might be useful for your research and template folders. Others are colour-coded.
So apart from research folders, why might you want to use these? Well, in the past, I've used them to indicate which POV a chapter is from. I've also, on one occasion, included more than one manuscript in a Scrivener file, so I used different coloured icons as a quick visual check that I was in the right manuscript. What could be some other uses? Well, there are lots of ways in Scrivener to define stages of production, which I'll cover in future videos. But you could use colour icons to indicate a kind of traffic light system for where you are with each chapter. Or you could have a specific icon to indicate where your major plot points are, or what kind of chapter or scene this is. For example, action, reflection, world building. I'm sure there are lots of other things you can think of. Why not let everyone know in the comments? That's all for today. I hope you found this useful. There's a whole Scrivener playlist here if you want more information. Thank you for watching, and if you've subscribed, I'll see you next time.